What's up, everyone? I'm back. I've got a new gift from my friends at Kemimoto Motors. I was lucky enough for them to send me this awesome back rack, so we're going to install it and take a look. Anyways, it's pretty easy to install. You just use hardware that's already on your bike. So all you're going to need is a 10mm socket and a 17mm open-end wrench. All right, let's take a look. All right, you guys know I use the Cycle rack. It came with my bike, but I'm just gonna give this a shot, see how it works out. So the first thing you're gonna have to do is take off your seat. I already did that. That's what you need the 10mm sockets for. I do that to get my other rack off. Here we go. So they're actually screwing right here. So you gotta pull this off, this little gasket, and you can see there's this nut right here. And you're gonna use this to loosen it up, and you're gonna unscrew it all the way. Alright, it's unscrewed all the way. Now you're going to pull this out, mess up your threads, and there you go. Alright, you're going to leave it, let's like this. Now let's get this side. Alright, I took all the protective stuff off this, and it's really nice looking. It looks just like the Tusk rack. It's very similar, it's kind of a smaller rack. Came with some real easy to read instructions. I'm just going to slip it on and see how it works. Alright, got the seat off. That's going to go right there. And these, all right, that was easy enough. That's good. And put the gasket back over it. I'll do the next one. We're ready to move on. Well, I got the back part on, and it's a good thing because I discovered that my blinker's all jacked up and not working. Thought I like busted a wire or something when I was installing it, but nope, just good old-fashioned wreck. I don't know when that could have been. All right, these fit fairly well over the holes. See that? Pull it away. Pull it away a little. Should be good. All right, I'm gonna start this now. Oh. Just in case any of you guys don't know, this is where you put in your bolts to hold in your seat. But honestly, I'm thinking about getting a quick release because it'd be a lot easier. But it's really not on my list of priorities right now. This is where your 10mm socket comes in, if you don't know. So let's see if I can do it one-handed. All right. So you got it started by hand, so get the socket, put it on the rest of the way. Alright, well that's pretty easy to put together. You can see it's really solid, really well built, nice looking welds. The only hiccup I ran into is aligning these holes. It kind of took me a while to get that all in. And the main difference between this rack and my Cycle rack is really the size. Like the Cycle rack is so big, you can get my crate on. I don't think I could get my crate on this. I think it would actually hold my saddlebags better though. For everyday riding, this is perfect. For maybe if you're going for a long touring kind of thing, it might want to upgrade to something bigger, but you know, you can't beat the price. It's $89.95. It's really well built, and I'd highly recommend it. I've got a link down in the description, and maybe give it a shot. Besides that, it doesn't take much know-how, and it's really simple to do. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy this product, and I hope you like and subscribe. All right, have a good day.